Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mark with US 1061 757 Auto Events and your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. We're out here at the HRADA International Auto Show. Very exciting. What do you think?
Yes, it is. Very exciting. And we have one of our crew members here.
That's right. Very special guest here. This is Tom Strachan. Tom Strachan, you are participating in the ultimate muscle car competition. What do you think, buddy?
Hey, I was surprised you didn't get in.
That's right. So let's let our fans know what you brought out today.
I brought out a 68 Camaro Super Sport, big block car, all original, all numbers matching car.
Right.
It took a long time for me to build this car. But
Now they didn't make it in this color, did they?
yeah, that's the original color.
So what's that color? Let them know what it is.
Butternut yellow.
Butternut yellow. There it is. I love hearing that sound. Anyhow, you guys are out here today. You're competing against some of your other fans out here, attending the Coastal Virginia Auto Show. You helped us to build that show. You helped us to load in. You helped with a lot of stuff. So we're happy to see you out here. We love to see our own making it out there.
Yeah,
So,
I was surprised.
yeah, fantastic. So with this car, you've done a few things to it, right? So run us down on what you kind of been through with this.
Yeah, well, I bought the car in 1998, and it was a basket case. I've
Right.
got a book of what I took to get it to this stage right here. It was running and driving,
Right?
but it wasn't this color. It went overseas with the guy.
Right.
A lady bought it brand new in 1968, a lady named Catherine Hayes in
Okay.
New Jersey. It came out of New Jersey.
Yeah.
So you know New Jersey cars got a little bit of rust here.
Yeah.
But this wasn't bad at all.
Good.
So put new quarter panels on it, found out that it is a real deal, all original numbers matching car. I have in a little case down here that's what they call the protector plate, which was the warranty card back in the day.
Uh-huh.
And it said everything about the car and who owned it and
Right.
what the options were on it. So when you took it there to get it fixed, I knew what you were working with.
Gotcha.
So that document and with the numbers on the engine and the VIN number on the car, we were able to decode the whole thing, and it was a true, real SS Camaro big block car with automatic.
So again, for some people, bringing it back to the OEM is like the pinnacle of what you're doing. Some of these other people like to chop it and put a different motor and put this, that, and the other. But for you, your goal for this was to put it back like Mr. Chevrolet figured, right?
Right. With a couple of things. They call it, I guess, a day two type look where you put headers on, intake, and carburetor and stuff.
Okay.
I've done that. Some stuff from me.
Gotcha.
Because we do drive the car, as you can see. I've been places with it all over the place. So
That's
I put
right.
probably 3,500 miles on it every summer.
There you go.
So we do a lot of things with it.
Yeah, and again, you're a big supporter of the local car shows and all that other stuff as well. And then for those of you who don't know, Danielle Strong, we've actually done some shows for her, and we've been really successful with that. She's doing well right now.
She's doing great. We go on the 24th of January back to Duke for her 9-month post-transplant checkup, and so far everything's on track.
That's awesome.
Everything's going good.
Yes.
So it's really good.
Yeah, so thumbs up for the whole Strong family and everybody going through that. And again, we're out here at the International Auto Show. This is going to be the muscle car competition. You guys come on out. You get to vote on your favorite muscle car out here. Tom Strachan, butternut yellow. I mean, it's a beautiful vehicle. Every place we go, this thing definitely turns heads. And I mean, it definitely brings back a lot of memories to a lot of people because, a lot of times we see that car. I remember when I was this and I remember when I was that. And I mean, this thing, running down the road, this thing is just a beauty.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And normally at most, if not all the shows I go to, it's the only one this color.
Yeah. So again, the Coastal Virginia Auto Show, you've been helping to build that show over the past several years. It's gotten better and better. Tell us a little bit about this year. What happened?
This year, man, it was when it blew up through the roof. I couldn't believe it, man. We spent, for those that don't know, we spend a lot of time behind the scenes with getting the floor laid out and getting all the cars in here. And we actually started, on Wednesday loading cars in?
Yes,
So
we did.
from Wednesday to Sunday, I put, I think my step counter counted me almost 100 miles in those 5 days on my feet.
Yeah.
Because it was just an amazing show,
Yeah.
and it's because of this lady and the work that you do and everybody else that's involved in Coastal Virginia Auto Show. It gets it that way.
Yeah, we bring in the best and we make you bust your butt so that way we can put together the best thing. And speaking of that, 2022, I mean, it's really not that far away, is it?
No, it's not. We're already working on it,
That's
right?
November.
Yeah.
We're
this
going to be
guy's
there
already
real
working
soon.
on the floor plan.
Oh, yeah.
He has it for homework.
I have it for homework.
Anyhow, back to this HRADA International Auto Show happening this weekend. Stop by, vote on your favorite muscle car out here. Tom, thanks for your time, brother.
Thank you, man.
Good to see you out
Appreciate
here. We will see you guys very soon on the road.
Yes, with fun.
That was me.
There we go.